choppy or the car's rocking, boat's rocking sort of thing, they might think that you don't have due care and control of the vehicle. T section, cool. Don't see too many of these. Which way do we go here?
Left.
Okay.
That's a dead end.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you got her. Just keep practicing that.
Yeah.
And we'll head her back to your place then.
Okay.
Here we don't have a line. Where do we stop? There's no line. No, not before the stop sign.
No?
You could stop past the stop sign, so your front bumper just goes to the edge of the road.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the legal stopping position. The legal stopping positions are either before the thick white line. If there's no thick white line, then you stop before a sidewalk so you don't block it. And if there's nothing at all, you stop right at the edge of the road where the two roads meet. So I hope that was fun and edutaining.
That was.
All right.
That was a lot, better than I thought.
Right on.
I was scared. Yeah, Dad's house, Mom's house.
That is so amazing.
I know.
So we'll just pull her over here somewhere. Right on. Okay. That's really convenient for you. Jeez, my dad lived here in Sudbury. My mom lived out in Ottawa.
Yeah.
So I had to bounce back and forth on the Greyhounds.
Oh my god.
Before you go, I'm going to get your autograph here.